In today's video, I will show you the recipe for creamy blush. The blush contains only natural ingredients, nourishes the skin, and does not clog pores. To make the blush, I use 10 grams of castor oil, 5 grams of shea butter, and 4 grams of mango butter. I place the fats in a water bath until they are completely dissolved. Then I add about 1 gram of zinc oxide, which is the base for the pigments. It also protects, soothes the skin, and has covering properties. Then it's time for pigments. I added 4 pinches of mica powder in total. Then I add 1.5 gram of arrowroot powder, which will reduce the oiliness of the cosmetic and together with zinc oxide increase its adhesion to the skin and durability. Finally, I check the color intensity. I decided to add a large pinch of mica, but this time in a cooler tone. I mix everything and pour it into a jar. I'm also adding 1 drop of vitamin E and 2 drops of essential oil. I choose rosewood oil. You can put blush in the fridge to solidify faster. The cosmetic has a nice creamy consistency and it's easy to apply. It has an intense color, so a small amount is enough to get a nice effect. After application, the skin is nicely moisturized and soft. Let me know if you found the recipe useful. If you want to support my channel and help me create more recipes and experiments, you can find the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye!